Hey YouTube, it's Felicia Jem. Yes?
You got in my uniform?
Sure.
How about me?
But not today. Okay. So
You go to my uniform, yeah?
How about me?
oh my
Yeah,
god.
you will.
Here's my buddy Ezekiel, who's a 3-year-old. Okay. The camera's suddenly getting blurry.
Hey, Mom.
Come on.
Yeah.
Do it.
Hey, Mom.
Okay, good. Okay. So today is Felicia. Okay, let me do the intro again because my mom would like to. But okay. So hey YouTube, it's Felicia Jem back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing my first vlog ever. So
How I like,
I think
Turn it off.
you can't even reach, man.
You did it. That's you.
Honestly, I don't even know what he's saying.
Huh?
I think that's real English.
Yeah.
What's that?
What Shay? See? It's a sorry. A sorry.
Wow.
I don't know why he's laughing either, but I'm just gonna go with it. You're giggling right now. You are.
Is that fun?
You guys might be wondering what that noise is. It's a video. You guys ever had those chairs that has a screen on it so you can watch like a movie or something on it? That's what I have. And apparently we're watching a Magic Theory video. Actually, done. I'm gonna go to my aunt's house.
Is that your mom's house?
Yeah, no, my auntie's house.
Where's your mom's house?
It's not my mom's house. My mom's right there.
No, where's your mom? Where's your mom's house?
Okay. I cannot focus on the camera. I don't think I can do it right now. I'd rather destroy Washington, the capital of America. Oh, I'm not going.
Stay away from me.
Are we going out? Why are we here?
Why are we here?
Papa?
Is that kind of stuff?
Oh.
No, come in.
Guys, I need to make a part 2. Thanks for watching and bye.